How's it going, everyone? My name is Angelo, and for everyone who is watching for the first time, this channel is all about spray painting. I got another Marvel superhero for you guys. Today, I'm going to be making Gambit. I completely understand if some of you guys don't know who Gambit is, so to enlighten you, Gambit is an X-Men and his powers and abilities are to mentally create, control, and manipulate pure kinetic energy to his desires. He is also incredibly knowledgeable and skilled in card throwing, hand-to-hand combat, and uses a staff as a weapon of choice. He basically uses playing cards and a staff for his defense. It's pretty cool. I really like Gambit a lot. He's actually my favorite X-Men. I attempted this painting like 5 different times, and I was so frustrated the first 4 times I attempted it because they all ended in failure, and I finally attempted it for the 5th time, and it ended in success. I'm so glad I pushed myself to finish this painting because the ending results are amazing, and I absolutely love them, and I hope you guys love them too. And if you guys do love them, hit the like button. If you guys are visiting my channel for the first time and you liked this content, consider unsubscribing to my channel. If there's anything that you guys want me to make for you, comment on what you guys want me to make, and I'll put your requests on the request form. The only thing that I don't do for the time being are portraits. Also, please share it with your friends and family. And one more thing, hit the notification bell to get notified for every video that I post up in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get to painting.
Painting, guys.
Alright, that about does it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you guys are visiting my channel for the first time and you like this content, consider to subscribe to my channel. Again, if there's anything that you guys want me to make for you, leave it in the comment section below and I'll put your request on the request form. Once again, the only thing I don't do are portraits for the time being. Also, please share with your friends and family. That will help me out a lot, you guys. And also hit the notification bell to get notified for the upcoming videos that I'll be making in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.